Hey guys, today's video, and I'm sitting in my filming area, which I haven't done in so long. It feels weird. It feels nice. I haven't really decorated for this season yet. With that being said, this is a video that I'm doing with a bunch of lovely ladies from Geeks and Beauties, and it is a ShopMissA haul. If you've never heard of ShopMissA, you will today. This is a brand that sells things for $1. Or a little more depending on what you're buying. They have other brands on the site that are a little bit more, but it's really not a lot. I think the most expensive thing on there might be $10. I don't know. It's really not expensive at all. Everything is $1 from like the ShopMissA brand. I'm just gonna dig in. It's gonna be like a little, you know, Mary Poppins bag, and we're just gonna say we're gonna pull out, and I'm gonna show you. I will have everybody linked down below in the description bar, so you can click their channels and links and see what they purchased. We all went a little crazy because it's super inexpensive. Like I said, everything's mostly $1, and it's free shipping after $35. So I'm pretty sure we probably all spent $35. I don't know. So the first couple of things that I got in here are some masks, and I will show you. I tore this thing open already because I want to make sure everything was in here, and I cannot wait. Like, people wait for unboxings and to open things on camera. I'm not that person. Nope. But I will insert a picture of how pretty they actually package their things so nicely. Bubble wrap, tissue paper, sticker. It's so nice. But anyways, so the first three things that I got in here are different kinds of masks. I am not a huge sheet mask fan. I generally, if I get them in a subscription boxes or anything like that, I give them away because I don't like them that much. Unless it intrigues me or it sounds like it would really actually benefit me. They might benefit me, but I just don't like how they feel. I feel like it's not really doing anything to me. I like peel masks, scrub, charcoal, anything like that that I have to wash off. I like masks like that. But this one sounded really fun. This is a bubble hyaluronic acid facial mask, and I love hyaluronic acid. It does wonders for my skin, so I'm super excited to try that. So the next thing I got was this coconut hair oil mask. It is a deep repair mask, and I love me some hair masks. And then I also picked this up. This is a nail mask. I've never tried anything like this, and you've probably noticed in my videos, my nails never look good. I don't, first of all, have the money to get them done, and if I did, I would just be wasting it because I kill them at my job. And people have told me from time to time on these videos that my nails are not that great, and I say, you know what, I'm sorry, I use them every single day, and it's not a priority in my life. I'm sorry. But anyways, I try to keep them as clean as I can, and that's as good as you're getting. So the next thing I got is this. This is like a magnetic palette, and it was only like $5 maybe. I don't know. It was inexpensive. They have all different sizes. This is from the AOA brand, I think, or AO2. I'm not sure. But it's pretty big. It fits my whole hand inside. It's super cute. Look at this print. Oh my gosh. So cute. They have all different designs, all different sizes. If you need some magnetic palettes, check them out. It's worth it just for that. Super inexpensive. Then I also picked up this. This was from AOA Studio. With the purchase of this, some of the money was donated to the Paw Paw Animal Charity Program. So that was super cool. And yeah, and I'm actually wearing one of the highlights on my face right now. Hello. The next thing that I got in here was also something that if you purchase, it helps the charity. And this was this little cute makeup bag. Look at these little floofers. Oh my gosh, how adorable is that? And it says #ShareLove. And a portion of this purchase also goes, and this was more money than $1. I think it might have been $2. It says, thanks for your support and donation to our animal charity project. So cute. I had to get it. Earrings. These were only, I'm going to say this a lot, but these were also only $1 because not everything I bought was actually $1. But these I thought were really cute, and I thought these would look really cute in the fall. I don't know. I've been watching Kelly from And I Get Dressed. It's Kelly B. I don't know if you watch her, but you should. And if you don't, you're weird. Just kidding. But she's amazing, and she always has the best earrings and best accessories and best everything. And so I want to try something a little bit different. I'm usually a hoop person. This is like what I live in. But these are really pretty, and it's like a crepe papery material, and once again, it was only $1. I also picked up these cotton rounds. It said that they are lint free. You get 40 for $1, which is not too bad. It says Japanese quality, 100% cotton. We're gonna see if it's lint free, because that is one of my biggest concerns when I buy cotton rounds. Then I added this into my cart because I needed something to reach the free shipping. Just a jojoba oil luxury hand cream. And yeah, it actually smells pretty good. Then I also picked up the AOA Studio mask brush. It's like a little silicone type of brush that you could apply a mask on, which I'm super excited about because, you know, half of this, I think this would be fun. It looked fun to try. I don't know if it's gimmicky, but we're gonna find out. We'll see. I'll let you know, like I said. And then these also I purchased, and these were only $1. These are my type of earrings. I love oversized boho inspired earrings, but they are extremely heavy, kind of to the point where I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to wear them comfortably, but they are really good quality for $1, and they're just super heavy that they kind of pull on my earlobe a little bit, so we'll have to see if I'm able to wear them. Then I added this into my cart because I needed this for work, and like I said, I needed like $1 or $2 for free shipping. I'd rather get a product than pay the shipping. The shipping's really inexpensive. I think it's like $3 or $3.95, but I was already so close to it. I just added that in the flashlight. Whatever. Then, if you've never tried any of their brushes, they're sold out a lot of the time. Brushes are really good. I have a few in here somewhere. The thing I got was this Wonder Skin Illuminating Primer, and yes, I like primer. Then I picked up this AOA baked eyeshadow. I'm not sure why I picked this one out. I think it might have looked a little bit different online, but it's pretty. It's a like lavendery icy color. You could probably use it as a highlight if you're into that type of highlight. Their baked eyeshadows definitely work better wet, but you know, it's pretty, but it's very sheer and it doesn't really show up that well, so I think maybe I have to play around with that and see how it works. Eyebrow scissors. I also picked up some eyebrow scissors because mine broke and I had a new pair, so there you go. And then I kind of remember that I didn't like their lipsticks that much. I'm wearing this one on my lip right now, and it's actually a really pretty color, but their lipsticks do have a chemically smell, and it goes away after a while, but it just, you know, I'm very particular on smell, and as soon as something bothers me, especially lipsticks, I immediately give it away or throw it away, depending. But this one's really pretty. It's like a burnty sienna color, and it is pretty, but it dries a little bit patchy, so you have to work with these really quick because they are super drying, fast matte lipsticks, and they wear well. It's just the smell I have to get over. So try them out if you're not into that. If that doesn't bother you that much, it does go away after a while, but initially, you know, it's not one I would probably grab for. And then this little bag I got. Look how cute it is. I love the little coffee cups and mugs and lattes, and it's just so cute. It's a little clear bag with the design and then a zip. And then inside are some other goodies that I picked up from the site. This is a skinny mascara from AOA, and I picked this up because I have a hard time getting in the inner lashes of my eye, and I thought this would be cute. It's technically for your under lashes, but I don't usually wear mascara on there because it runs a lot for me. They have really good lip oils, and I've tried them before. This is from the AOA Studio, and this is Oh Honey, and I think it's in the strawberry or watermelon scent. I'm not sure, but it's so good. It's so good. And then I picked up these two little lovelies, and actually I think the blush was a little bit broken, but not too bad. Like a swirled marbled blush, and it's in the color, hold on, I will tell you in a second. It is in the color So Close. And then I picked up this highlight, which works amazing wet. This is from the AOA Studio brand as well. And this was also only $1. And it's a baked highlight, which works better wet, as I said. But it is, yes. Do you see it right there? It's over the primer. But Do you see that? Yeah, it works really, really nice. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unbagging. Be sure to check the description box down below for everybody's links. So you can click on it and go see what goodies they purchased. I'm actually really excited to see what they got, because this site is, you can get really sucked in and want to buy everything because it's so inexpensive and the shipping is inexpensive. It comes really quickly. They package everything so beautifully. Such a great company. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. As always, appreciate it. Bye, guys.